In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an adjustment transaction in the chart of accounts specifically for an inventory account. This is an essential skill that will help streamline your accounting tasks and ensure accuracy in your financial records. Let's dive right in. The first step in this process is to access your accounting software and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate the section titled Accounting, which is typically found on the menu at the top or side of your screen. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu. Next, from this drop-down menu, you'll need to select Chart of Accounts. This is the comprehensive list of every account in your accounting system, organized by their type. It's a crucial tool as it provides a detailed view of your company's financial transactions and balance sheet. When you find the Chart of Accounts, go ahead and click on it to open the detailed list. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll be looking for the inventory account. The list might be extensive, so use the search bar if one is available, as this will save you some time. By typing the word inventory into the search bar, you can easily filter through the accounts to find the one you're focusing on. With the inventory account selected, it's time to look for adjustment transactions. You'll need to open the account details where you will find a list of all transactions associated with this account. Scroll through the entries, paying attention to those labeled as adjustments. These adjustments are typically entries made to correct previous errors or to update the account to reflect changes in inventory costs or quantities. Selecting a specific adjustment transaction will give you more insight. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a detailed view of that transaction. You'll see information like the date of the adjustment, the amount, and the reasoning behind the adjustment. If you ever feel uncertain about any of these details, it's always a good idea to double check with your accounting team or refer back to the documentation for clarification. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. By following these steps, you can efficiently find and review adjustment transactions in your inventory accounts chart of accounts. Remember, accuracy in these entries is paramount for maintaining the integrity of your financial statements. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more accounting tips and tutorials. See you next time, and happy accounting!